is Justin. I'd like to welcome you back to 290 Auto Body. We're located here at 73 West Boylston Drive in Worcester, Massachusetts. We're right next door to the Greendale Mall. We're seconds away from the Mass Lottery. You can look us up on the web at 290autobody.com. That's the number 290autobody.com. We're also all over the web. You can find us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, MySpace. We have some big news here at 290 Auto Body today. We are the first independent facility that has been accepted by Toyota to train. We meet the qualifications that Toyota needs to get certified training right from Toyota. We will be the only independent repair facility in Worcester that you can bring your vehicle to get certified Toyota repairs. Once again, Toyota is standing behind us with the repairs that we will be completing. Here at 290 Auto Body, this is just one of the examples. Whether it's brakes, suspension, transmissions, or custom paint, we can do it all. This is a high-end vehicle that this customer has trusted with us to basically do a full repair. This not only entails mechanical aspects, but also frame and body aspects. We are the only facility in Worcester, Mass with the complete personnel to do this kind of vehicle. But don't forget, whether it's a Honda Accord or SUV or any type of vehicle, we're able to handle these types of vehicles and those types as well. We tried to make this one of the most comfortable areas that you can relax in after a collision. It has Wi-Fi enabled, and also if you didn't bring any type of device where you can go online, we have this tablet that you can use free of charge while you're waiting. We are a member of the National Auto Body Council. This is an exclusive group of distinguished collision industry professionals. We are devoted to creating a positive image within the industry and within communities in which we serve. We are members of AASP, the Alliance for Automotive Service Providers. We are also members of NASARA, a nonprofit organization that supports the right of the automotive repair industry in New England. In addition, we attend important annual conferences such as the International Body Congress Exposition, the CIC, Collision Industry Conference, and the SEMA, Specialty Equipment Market Association. What do all these memberships mean? If you're going to lead the automotive collision industry, then it's important that you understand it. Training carefully, using new methods, and thinking outside of the box. These high honors weren't just given to us, we've earned them by using up-to-date equipment, the latest trained technicians, and quality customer service. We've been recently awarded the ICAR Gold Class Professional status. This certification means our technicians meet the highest standards for automotive repair in the industry. No other shop has earned this highly prestigious certification in the entire city of Worcester. I'd like to thank all of our customers who came to our facility and let us give them a helping hand. It really helped our facility to grow to the size that we are now, and we continue the growth. I'd like to thank everybody. 2012 has been an awesome season, and I'm glad to see that all of our customers are okay. For more information, you can visit us online at 290autobody.com. That's 290autobody.com. If you can't find us for some reason, we're all over the internet, so you should be able to punch in 290 Auto Body on any search engine and find us. My name is Justin, and I appreciate you watching this show today. And remember, if you got a fender bender, we are the #1 contender, 290 Auto Body.